Alright, welcome back to another weekly test. It's going to be just a quick one today. Just a little update. We're not going to start now, we are going to start in the living room. So, yeah, we finally got the tree up as well. This room's all done except for that light. It's just hanging there. I'm actually going to put that up after the video, I just haven't bothered yet. The detector's in the corner of the room where it was requested to be put, so that's where it is, that's where it's staying. So we'll get a test. I don't think we have given it a test yet, so yeah, here we go. And there we go. So that's that one. That's fully installed now. You had a thing from downstairs. But yeah, we'll go test the call point now. I'll probably just leave it at that. I'm just going to test this. So yeah, here we go. I can actually get at it. Move that. I don't even think I sprayed at it. I can't remember. Nice memory, there we go.
Attention please, attention please. Fire has been reported in the building. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest exit.
Alright. Turn that off. The key from here. And yeah, that just stays on fire until the thing's been reset. Slowly. Oh, there goes the key. So that's going to be the end of the video now. Yeah, hopefully I can get a system test out soon. I just need to find the time. It's just non-existent at the minute with work and everything, but you know, life's life. We'll move on. But yeah, make sure you like the video if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, of course, and subscribe, which would be fantastic if you decide to subscribe. So yeah, please subscribe. It's free and all that. But yeah. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and bye.